Hello, on this video I'm going to talk about what this code means and how it can help you when you write modules. So for that, let's take a look at some code now. So here I have two files. One file is called mymodule.py and the other one is called mymain.py. These two files are saved on the exactly same location in my folder. If you look right here in this file, this will be your module. And this module has one single function, and then I can call my function with this if statement. And then right here I have a main where I import the module, and then I just call the message. So if I run this file from here, it prints the hello world. And then if I run from here, it prints the hello world as well. But the question is, what does this code do for me? For that, I'm going to delete everything here. And then I'm going to print some values here. So the first thing is I want to print the name. So here I'm going to print the underscore, underscore, name, and then underscore, underscore again. So if I run this program, when I print name, it prints main. Okay, so the value of name is main. Next, I want to know the data type of name. So for that, I'm going to put the function type. And now I can see that it's a string. So this here has a value main and the data type is a string. And if I copy this code right here on my main, and if I run from here, I'm going to get exactly the same value. Now I'm going to import the module right here on the top. I'm going to import, and then I'm going to comment it out these two lines of code here. If I come back here from this file and I run it, the name is still main. Now, if I run this file from this place, now the name is not main anymore, the name is my module. So when this command gets executed, it comes here and executes everything from this file. So when I run this program from here, from this file, this variable prints my module. But if I run the code from this file, then the same variable prints main. And this is how this is going to help us. Because if I have some functions right here, and if I want to test these functions without using a second file, then I can just use that main as a way to find out if this code is running from this file or if this code is being running from another file. So let's put back the functions that I had initially here. So this is a very simple function. It just prints hello world. And if I come here on the module, and if I print a message, I got this. So it prints the hello world. Okay, great. But now, let's say if I'm working on this file only, and I want to test this function. So if that's the case, then right here, I can just call the function. And if I run from here, it runs fine. However, if I run from here now, it's going to print hello world twice because it's printed the hello world from the imports. Remember, when I import the module, it executes the whole code. And then when I call this function, it executes the code again. So even though I ran this program once, it's executing twice. And this is where the name will come in place. So first, I'm going to define a function here. And then the place where I call the functions to test is going to be right here in the main. And then finally, I'm going to put an if statement where I compare if name equals main, then I'm going to call the main. The main is a function that it's going to call whatever I want to call to test this program. So once I do that, if I run this program from here, then once you get here on the if, then name is actually equals main, and then you call the main function, and then the main function calls whatever function that you want to test. So I'm gonna run, and then it prints hello world, and now if I run from here as well, then it prints hello world just once. Because once you import the module, executes the whole thing, the name will be my module, and then you'll never call the main, you'll never call the functions. So, in summary, this if statement right here, combined with this main method, is a way for you to execute this code from this file and have everything working perfectly, and at the same time execute this code from a file where you import that and not execute this code here. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.